Hello everybody! From the Quick and Easy series, today I want to show you how to craft yourself a pair of cute and colorful earrings. You don't need much, you don't even need your quilling tool, you just have to have some thin paper strips that you can buy from almost any craft store, or you can cut them yourself, although it is not recommended for such narrow paper because it is a difficult job to do and the strips might not end up straight. You also need some paper glue and a pair of earring cuffs, and that's about it. First, we need to make the ring coils. We start with the interior small ones because depending on the sizes of these, you can figure out how big you need to make the big exterior one. You need the help of something round, whatever you have at hand, and I had my quilling tool. Then you squeeze them into an oval and you pinch them at the two far ends to create an angle. We make also the big round coil, and I use the plastic part of a bottle cap to help me. The hardest but also the most interesting part is arranging them together, the small coils into the big ones. Here you can put your imagination to work because this step is the key for everything to end up chic and amazing. You can try different combinations before you glue the pieces, so you can choose the final arrangement wisely. What's left is only to attach the earring cuffs, and that's it. In the end, you can also spray some lacquer or paint some glue on them to make them stronger and shinier. Hope you liked today's episode of Quick and Easy Items, and I also hope that you will try some of these at home. Maybe you'll fall in love with this technique and you'll become an addict like me, because I assure you this addiction is pretty safe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. I'm waiting for your comments too, to let me know what other designs I could do and what other geometrical shapes I could use. Thanks for watching and take care.